right now, in this very moment. There are so many things going right. I want to talk about that because we get so caught up in what we're chasing, what we're reaching for, what we think we don't have yet, that we forget to stop and feel into all the evidence of well-being that's already here. Let's just start with the fact that you're breathing. Your body knows how to breathe. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to make it happen. It just happens. Your heart is beating right now without any effort from you. Your cells are regenerating. Your body is working on your behalf every single second of every single day. There's this intelligence moving through you that is so profound, so magnificent, and it never stops working for you. And you woke up today. You opened your eyes. You get another day. Another whole day to experience things, to feel things, to appreciate things, to notice things. Isn't that something? We take it for granted, but what a gift. What an absolute gift to get to be here, to get to participate in life. Think about the bed you slept in, or the place you rested. You had somewhere to lay your head. You had shelter. Right now, you're safe enough to be listening to this or reading this. You're not running from danger. You have this moment of peace. That's not small. That's everything. That's the foundation of well-being right there. And let's talk about the people in your life. Even if it's just one person, or even if it's someone you haven't talked to in a while, there are people who care about you. People who have smiled at you. People who have helped you at some point. Maybe it's someone who held a door open. Maybe it's someone who gave you directions when you were lost. Maybe it's someone who raised you or taught you something valuable. The kindness of other human beings. Isn't it amazing? We're all here together, all connected, all bumping into each other's lives, and sometimes making each other's days better. And think about all the things you know how to do. You've learned so much in your lifetime. You can read, you can communicate, you can make decisions, you can create things with your hands, with your mind, with your words. You have skills and abilities that you've accumulated just by living, just by paying attention, just by trying. And every single day, you're getting better at being you. Let's appreciate technology for a moment. The fact that you can access information, connect with people across the world, listen to music from any era, watch something that makes you laugh, learn something new without leaving your home. The human mind created all of this. We're living in miraculous times, and sometimes we forget to be amazed by it. What about nature? Even if you're in a city, there's sky above you. There are clouds moving, there's weather happening, there's this whole atmosphere that supports life on this planet. And if you've seen a tree recently, or heard a bird, or felt the sun on your skin, or the rain, or the wind, that's the earth just doing its thing, just being abundant and alive and generous with its beauty. Nature doesn't hold back. It just gives and gives and gives. Think about the food you've eaten. Someone grew it. Someone harvested it. Someone transported it. Someone prepared it. Maybe you prepared it. And your body knew exactly what to do with it. It knew how to take that food and turn it into energy, into cells, into life force. You don't have to understand how digestion works for it to work. It just works. Everything is always working on your behalf. And let's talk about the fact that you have desires. You want things. You have dreams. You have preferences. That's the life force moving through you. That's you being a creator, being an expander of this universe. Every time you want something, you're participating in the evolution of everything. You're not meant to just be satisfied with what is. You're meant to want more, to dream bigger, to imagine possibilities. And that impulse, that desire, that source energy flowing through you saying, yes, let's go there. Let's experience that. Let's expand into that. Isn't it beautiful that you get to want things, that you get to have preferences, that you get to imagine and dream and wonder, what if? That's pure creative power right there. And here's something wonderful. Every single thing you've been through, every challenge, every hard time, every moment of confusion or pain or struggle, it's all made you stronger. It's all given you depth. It's all taught you something about what you want and what you don't want. It's all been part of your expansion. Nothing has been wasted. Every single bit of it has been useful. You're not broken. You're not damaged. You're experienced. You're wise. You're seasoned. You've lived. Think about all the times things worked out. All the times you were worried and then it turned out fine. All the times you needed something and it showed up. All the times you thought you couldn't do something and then you did it. All the evidence you have that you're supported, that you're guided, that things work out for you. When you look back, you can see it. The universe has been orchestrating on your behalf this whole time. And right now, in this moment, there are things lining up for you that you don't even know about yet. There are people you're going to meet. There are experiences you're going to have. There are things you're going to create. There are moments of joy that are already on the way to you. The universe is already answering your desires. It's already arranging circumstances and events and meetings that are going to delight you. It's all in motion right now. You don't have to figure it all out. You don't have to have the perfect plan. You don't have to know exactly how everything is going to unfold. You just have to feel good. You just have to appreciate what's here. You just have to tune yourself to the vibration of well-being, and everything you want will flow to you so naturally, so easily, you'll wonder why you ever worried about it. And the fact that you're listening to this, the fact that you're seeking out good-feeling thoughts, the fact that you're conscious of your vibration and you care about how you feel, that tells you everything you need to know. You're awake. You're aware. You're deliberately creating your experience. You're not a victim. You're a powerful creator, and you're getting better and better at this every single day. So just feel into this for a moment. Feel into the abundance that's already here. Feel into the love that surrounds you. Feel into the intelligence that breathes you and beats your heart. Feel into the creative power that flows through you. Feel into the certainty that everything is always working out for you. Feel into the truth that you are worthy, you are loved, you are supported, you are guided, you are blessed beyond measure. This is who you really are. This is your natural state. This is the truth of you. And the more you acknowledge it, the more you appreciate it, the more you feel it, the more everything you've ever wanted will just flow into your experience with ease and joy and perfect timing. Life is so good. You are so blessed. Everything is always working out for you, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. Now, doesn't that feel good? Stay here. Ride this feeling. This is your work. This is how you create everything you want. Just by feeling this good, just by appreciating what is, you become a magnet for everything you've been asking for. You've got this. You've always had this. And it's only going to get better from here.